If a is equal to 2 plus root 3, find the value of a minus 1 by a. A is equal to 2 plus root 3. 1 over a is equal to 1 by 2 plus root 3 because they given a is equal to 2 plus root 3. Rationalize this denominator. When we rationalize, positive become negative. 2 minus root 3 over 2 minus root 3. 2 times 1, 2 minus root 3 times 1 means we get 2 minus root 3 only. 2 times 2, 2 square, plus into minus, minus, root 3 times root 3, root 3 whole square. Therefore, 1 by a is equal to 2 minus root 3. 2 square means we get 4. Root 3 whole square, 2 and root cancel, only 3 remains. Therefore, 2 minus root 3, 4 minus 3, we get 1. Therefore, 2 minus root 3 over 1, we get 2 minus root 3 only. Hence, 1a minus 1 by a is equal to 2 plus root 3 minus 2 minus root 3 is equal to 2 plus root 3 minus 2 minus into minus plus root 3 plus minus 2 plus 2 cancel. We get 1 root 3 plus 1 root 3. We get 2 root 3. That's our answer. Thank you for watching.